Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over my weekly stock picks for the week of May 2nd through the 6th. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, let's dive right on into it. Alright guys, so before going over my picks for this week, we're going to talk about a recap of last week. My picks were TQQQ, IQST, and UDOW. Both of them really, IQST held at about 49-50 cents. I think it actually went up to like 51 cents at one point. But the market overall continues to be really nasty right now, and I think it's going to be nasty over the next couple of days. Potentially making a recover on Wednesday. So I'm going to talk about that and talk about my picks for this week moving forward. So the week of May 2nd to the 6th, I have TQQQ. I think if the market starts to recover, this is going to aggressively pop and go higher. Tesla, if they send out the proxy vote for the stock split, I think that's going to be a major catalyst for us. I think that people are going to respond well to that because, I mean, why wouldn't they approve the stock split, right? So I think if they just release the proxy vote for the annual shareholder meeting, I think that's going to be a major catalyst for us. SHIB and ZNOG, guys, I know this is not something that's going to happen this week, but I'm just telling you now, SHIB and ZNOG is creating some really good buying opportunities. I just loaded more before making this video, and I would have bought more over the weekend, but my funds didn't clear quick enough. So at these levels right here in the twos, that's my buy zone, and it actually fell down to almost, it's a little bit higher still of what I actually paid for it, but it's pretty close to it. So I'm loading right here, close to my my overall average, because I did average up eventually, but it's still in these levels right here in the twos. I think is a slam dunk home run to load up and hold for the longer term. They've burned 22.5 billion coins so far in the burn portal, and there's some rumor going around that the developers are burning a ton of coins as well. So that's something to kind of keep an eye on there. I'm going to keep a little bit in the account just in case, a little bit of like cash in the account in case something happens, it falls further down, I can buy more at some cheaper prices. But that's what I'm looking at there. On the watch list is Zion Oil and Gas, to see if we can continue this run that we've had. Okay, so really watching closely to see if the volume picks up first thing in the morning. If we do, man, that's going to be a great sign for us moving forward. If we don't have hardly any volume, not so sure, but it's something to keep an eye on moving into this week. So that's my picks and my watch list for the week, guys. Let's take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, taking a look at TQQQ. First of all, this is an ETF here that it's a 3 times leverage ETF, so it goes fast. If it pulls down aggressive. If it moves up very aggressive. So you see here we found support several times here at about this $36 level. We're pretty close to undervalued. Watching it very closely today. I'm looking to enter in tomorrow. Okay, what I'm looking at is possibly maybe starting to buy a little bit today just so I can have some skin in the game, but tomorrow is when I'm looking to load pretty aggressive here, kind of towards the end of day, in anticipation to the Fed meeting on Wednesday. And they're gonna come in and talk about the rate hikes, and I think once they get that out the way, the last time they did that, the market shot up after it actually happened. People were like, okay, cool, let's roll, and started moving. So I'm hoping that's what happens again. So it's still kind of a risky play here at this point, but we're at the very bottom of the fib level, so we're due for some type of spike and move to the upside. We've been selling off in the market for the past couple of weeks, so eventually we're going to have some type of turnaround, even if it's not long term. It's a temporary shoot up, and I want to take advantage of that. Okay, so I'm looking to enter a little today and then the majority of it tomorrow. Okay, next up is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and looking here, we did bounce from undervalue, as you see here. We did break below that 878 level, and we're still trading a little bit below there. So it's gonna have to watch this morning if we can push higher over 900. great sign. If we fall back down, man, that's crazy. We could see as low as about $800 sometime this week. And if we get there, that's where I'll come enter in. This one here, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt with all the Twitter stuff and everything. But like I said, if this thing, if it comes out, if they come out and send a proxy vote out about them offering a split, depending on what type of split it is, I don't think it really matters what type of split it is. I think it's a good thing they're going to do a stock split. I think that you should see a nice little spike to the upside, but I'm going to wait it out and see today and tomorrow. Again, just like for TQQQ, I want to see how low this thing can go before I go and enter in on Tesla. Okay, and that's the two stocks that we talked about, because like I said, Shiba Inu is a crypto, and you can just go to coinmarketcap.com to take a look at that. We're going to take a look at Zion Oil and Gas. Zion Oil and Gas had a nice close on Friday. I did buy more on Friday right before the close, right before this spike happened, actually. Okay, I bought right at about here. Okay, and then all of a sudden, as soon as I bought it, shot up to 21 cents. So that's awesome. So volume's the name of the game. We did get a buy signal. If we can push higher and test this 22 cent, but also bust through that 22 cents, that's going to be a huge deal for us. Overall, if we can hold at about 20 cents, even if we get like a little small pullback, hold at about 20, and then continue to make our way up towards the upside, that's going to be a great sign moving forward. So can we continue to go higher and test at 30-35 cents, or was this just a little false breakout and we'll fall back down to 15? We'll have to kind of wait it out and see. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Let me know your thoughts below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.